Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to this new video here where we do this fun fall scarf. And this is a V pattern, but it's offset, so as you can see the V's aren't on top of each other, but they're kind of more diagonally on top of each other. They're always in between the two V's of the row before. And so instead of the V's being, right on top of each other, we have the V's here always in between the V's of the row before. So usually you would put the V here around the chain stitch of the row before, but here we did a different thing. We always went in between the V's of the row before. How exactly I did this, what wool I used, and also which hook I used, I'm going to show you now. Okay guys, so this is the Creative Melange Chunky Wool from Rico Design. It's 50 grams and 85 meters, 53% virgin wool and 47% acrylic. It's meant for size 6 to 7 crocheting hooks. And this wool is really interesting. It has a lot of different colors here, and sometimes you can find different colors on the inside than that you can't even see from the outside. The color here is number 60. And as you can see here, we have some grays, purples, pinks, blues. Let's take off the label here to see if there's anything else inside that we haven't seen yet. But I think that's most of the colors. I think these colors are really cute for the coming winter. And I'm gonna start here from the inside. With the looking through it, I've definitely taken it apart a little bit, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to use my size 6 crocheting hook for this as recommended. And here I'm going to try to find the beginning. As you can see here, the wool's kind of like twisted, and you see it a little better on the darker colors here. And here you can see it pretty well. And you can see, it's just kind of twisted around itself. And here in the lighter colors, you cannot see it quite as well on the camera. So we're going to start here with a multiple of 4. I'm going to choose 20 here, so 20 chain stitches. And this is my size 7 crocheting hook. All right, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, the wool actually works really well with this size 7 crocheting hook. Okay, so we are going to skip the first 4 stitches, and then we start with our first double crochet here in the 5th stitch. Then we add a chain stitch, and into the same stitch on the bottom we add another double crochet. So we have 2 double crochets here in the same stitch, and in between we have a chain stitch. Then we add another chain stitch, and we skip 3 chain stitches on the bottom and do the same thing. So double crochet, chain stitch, another double crochet, and another chain stitch. Okay, then again we skip 3. Then 3 double crochets, then 1 double crochet, chain stitch, double crochet, and another chain stitch. Skip 3, double crochet, chain stitch, another double crochet, and chain stitch here, and then here at the very end into the very last stitch, we should have 3 left over here. We add 1 single double crochet, so 1 regular one. So what do we do here? We did 20 chain stitches here, a multiple of 4. Then we skip the first 4 chain stitches, and into the 5th one we started with the first V. We always do a double crochet, a chain stitch, and a double crochet, and then a chain stitch in between. And here at the very end, we have a regular double crochet, not a V. So at the bottom, we always skip 3 double crochet. We always skip 3 chain stitches, but at the very end here, I only skip 2. So now we go for row number 2. we start here with 3 chain stitches, then we turn it around, and then always around the chain stitch that's in between the V's. So there, here, and here at the very end. And that's where we're gonna go in to make the next V. Okay, so we go in here and we do the same pattern. So double crochet, chain stitch, double crochet, and another chain stitch. So we never actually go into the stitch here, we just go around it. And then here comes the next one, and so we go in between the 2 V's, and around the chain stitch that's in between the 2 V's we add a next V. And you can see here that the V's are, just exactly diagonally on top of the prior V. So they're not right on top. And so above the V we always have the chain stitch. All right, so after the V, don't forget your chain stitch, and then continue with the next V. So double crochet, chain stitch, another double crochet, and then a chain stitch for in between the V's. And here at the very end, around the chain stitches of the row before, we add a regular double crochet. And then this row is done as well. And as you can see, we also have 4 V's here in this row. But they are not on top of the V's, they're actually, offset. Okay, here we go again, 3 chain stitches. Then we turn it around, and we go around the first chain stitch here and start again with a V. And take some more wool. After the V, don't forget your chain stitch, and then continue on with the next V. Alright, so we always do double crochet, chain stitch, double crochet, and then another chain stitch for after the V. Take some more wool. Okay, chain stitch, and then here again, double crochet, chain stitch, and another double crochet, chain stitch, and here at the very end, again, we just do a regular double crochet versus not a V. And then we're ready with row number 3. So as you can see, we already have a color fade here. We're kind of going into the blue tone, and here you can see what it's going to look like later. I'm going to continue doing this for a while, and I'll give you an update. Okay guys, so here's my update for you guys. You can see I've already gained a lot of length here, and you can see the cute pattern that's been emerging, and also the cool color fade. So you can see the V's here are always offset in the next row, so they're always kind of diagonally above each other. And here you can see kind of some pinks and grays, and then this is more blue, gray and then blue, and I think it looks really nice, this color fade. And here again we go back to some grays and pinks and purples, but yeah, I think these colors are just really cool. They're really cute. And here we are at the end at a pink part, and I was actually just trying, but the last bit of thread here is not long enough for another row. And so I'm just going to cut it off here. Okay, and then I pull it out and pull it tight. Then obviously I'm going to hide this thread later. And here in the last row you can also see the 4 V's. So we have the regular double crochet here, and then we have the 4 V's at the very right. We have the 3 chain stitches for the beginning. And then on the other side we always have the double crochet, and that's how we make this border basically for the scarf. And so yeah, just a really cute pattern. It's really simple, honestly, to make this. It's really airy, so you can, it's basically half holes, half actual wool. You could do this, really long, really nice and wide, so you can, scrunch it up a little around the neck. This maybe is more for the warmer fall days, just for a cute accessory. Thank you guys for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. You'll always be the first one to be informed about a new video. See you next time!